Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus MS Word full comparison. Open both apps and follow along as we test layout, calculation, and collaboration features step by step. I will highlight strengths, weaknesses, and practical workflows so you can pick the right tool for reports, letters, or data analysis. Stay with me and try the examples yourself to see which app speeds up your tasks and improves accuracy. In this video, I will compare Excel versus MS Word full comparison. Follow my steps to test styles, headers, and page setup while I demonstrate practical tips for consistent formatting across documents and spreadsheets. I show how to use templates, master styles, and grid alignment to save time and avoid rework. Practice these methods to make professional reports or slick data sheets without struggling with layout each time. In this video, I will compare Excel versus MS Word full comparison. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading drafts and notes cozy when you step away from the computer, and it pairs nicely with proofreading workflows for long documents. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Excel versus MS Word full comparison. Watch as I demonstrate formulas, pivot tables, and charts versus track changes, comments, and version history to show real collaboration differences. I will explain when to export, embed, or link content between files and how cloud features affect simultaneous editing and permissions. Use these tips to streamline teamwork and avoid data loss during multi-user edits and reviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.